Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share about the armrest. This armrest is found on Audi A4, B6 and B7 platforms. I'm not sure if this will also fit some other models, but this will definitely fit Audi A4, B7 and B6 platforms. Now, this is my unit. I had a problem with this unit where when this sits in the center console area, you would usually bring the armrest up to adjust the level, right? The height of the armrest, yeah? And then when you want to bring it down, you should be able to lift it all the way up and then bring it down, right? Now, at some point, it will work, but mine, the issue is you can retract it, you can hear the sound once it goes up straight. Okay, imagine it sits on your armrest like this, on your center console. You want to bring it down? I can't, right? Now the problem is there is a small lever here, right? And these are the gears. Okay, these are the gears, and it's stuck. You can see that this metal, it's holding them in place. It cannot go in. However, if I push this in, then yes, I can, right? If you have this problem, then please continue watching, because I've got a simple solution for you. The reason why, because I have checked online and you cannot get, of course you can get the whole piece, but it's going to be very expensive, right? This mechanism is very expensive. Usually this cover will break, the handle will break, or this will give way. This is replaceable, but this ones you have to buy the whole piece and it's quite expensive. So I found a fix where, if you look here carefully, okay, whenever this mechanism, see a small metal, it's like a teeth there, right? So see the gear, it's sharp. It is sharp, isn't it? Okay, so you can see it locks in place. Okay, it moves one by one, right? When it goes all the way up, again I'm showing you, all the way up, okay, you can keep it upright and you can't bring it down. You can't. So I found a solution where, if you can put a string, okay, look carefully, if you can put a string into this metal here, okay, if you can put a string here, right, so roll it over here, okay, you have to push the string towards the end and bring it up like this. So you loop it around here, one end comes up this side and the other end comes up this side, and then you can bring both the ends inside the handle, right? Okay, and then you tie a knot. Okay, so now look at this. I can't bring it back, but I'm gonna pull and then it releases. Why? Because the moment you tie your strings like this, when it gets locked in place, right, when it locks in place and you can't bring it, what you are actually doing is, when you pull this string, it's gonna push this metal away from the teeth, or this lock here, you know. So at the moment I'm not pulling the string yet, but I'm trying to bring it down. I can't, right? So I'm going to pull the string, it releases, and then I can bring my armrest down back to its position. So that's one way of doing it. You don't have to spend lots of money trying to get a new unit, okay, because this is pretty expensive. And of course, even if you want to replace these parts, okay, I've asked, mine was broken, one of these pieces, you see this, okay, so this one goes on the right hand side like this, okay, and this one, this piece goes on top, okay. You have to just put that back in place, and this, the other one goes this way, right? It goes this way, okay. One goes this way. This is one piece, okay. You can see the tabs in the center, it's not broken, right? And then again, this piece goes at the back, okay. Then this one will cover this side, okay. Of course, this tab here is broken, and there are one or two pieces here, the tabs are broken, okay. And this is the rubber, where when you put all those plastics together this way, you're gonna have to put this rubber in place, okay. Put them into the area, you know, you have to, there's a small place for it to, in the line, you have to put the rubbers in the line, and then you will assemble back, okay. That's very straightforward. However, now I have a problem. I've already fixed this, which I can't, which you are not able to move your armrest upright, and then you can't bring it back into position, right? That one I've already fixed. Now the other one which I have a problem is this piece. Even if I put it back here, it's going to be very loose. It's going to be very loose. So what I have to do is, let me just show you. I'm going to put back this cover in place, okay. Okay, it clips, and then it clips here, that's fine. Next one, I'm going to put this back in place, okay. There are tabs, okay, which will lock back in position, okay. There are some raised tabs are inside, in the center, okay. Done. It's done. It's back in position, right? Okay. So this is almost done. This piece, okay. If you see, there are also small tabs. Okay, you see the small tabs here. They are supposed to go back into this position. So this one is broken, but that's okay. And this side is broken. Okay. But the one which is very important to ensure that this doesn't come out easily is the one in the center. So what I found, a fix which might help you, if you have the medicine cup or the measuring cups, liquid measuring cups like this, right? Okay, what I've done is I took one of this, I cut them approximately here. I cut them off here. How did I measure that? It's pretty simple. The other side of the cover where the tabs were in a good position, I just measured them like this. Okay, so I marked the position. Okay, so what I did was I cut them like this first. Okay, by the size, cut it off. Then I made a space in between. The reason being, if you look at this armrest, you have got the wire which is running for the armrest light. Okay, it's here. At night, this gets lights up. Okay, so this is the wire. So you can't get the full cup in. Okay, it won't go in. So you have to make the space on this small cup for it to go in. So what you can do is, okay, which I'm gonna fix in a while, is I'm gonna put this in the position so that it goes inside without disturbing the wire which runs all the way through. Okay, so make a space for it, just rest it on top. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I want to ensure that this sits in the right position on this tab. So I'm going to have the glue. I'm going to put a glue, okay, probably a super glue or a and then I'm gonna put this cover back and then push them back in position. Okay, by doing so I would know exactly how this plastic medicine cup should be placed, right? So I'm going to put a glue here so that it comes together, and then I'm going to take it out. So once I take that out, I am going to put a bit of glue, you know, probably the heat glue, you know. I'll just put few here and there, and then place it back into the cover. Done. So that will ensure this cover is not loose and it will stick in its place. So that's a small tip for you if you are looking to save some money to reuse your armrest. Yeah, I've checked with Audi. They do not sell these three parts separately. It comes as one piece, unless you have someone selling an armrest, a good piece of cover for the right and the left. That's okay. But if you can't get one, then probably this video might help you. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. Have a good day.